As a professional adventure racer, I run, hike, bike, and paddle thousands of miles every year. With all those miles on my feet, keeping them healthy is a top priority. Blisters are the #1 reason hikers and backpackers cut their trips short. And that's why Adventure Medical has developed their Blister Medic Kit. It has what you need to both treat blisters and to prevent them. The sheet of pre-cut moleskin pieces makes it easy to cushion hot spots before they become blisters. If a hot spot does progress into a blister, our unique Glacier Gel hydrogel dressing cushions and cools blisters to relieve the pain instantly. It's waterproof, breathable, and transparent, so you won't even know that it or the blister are even there. Whether hitting the trail or exploring a new city, be sure to throw the Blister Medic in your bag. Your feet will thank you.